How to turn on save and fill addresses on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on save and fill addresses in Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there. Click on setting. Now scroll down and click on addresses and more. And like you see, you have the first option and the only option, which is save and file addresses. Turn on this option and includes information like phone number, email addresses, and shipping addresses. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.